your elderflower tree or bush. This is a smaller bush. These are called umbels. And we'll take them off at the base of the umbel. Make sure that there's no, like these ones are not open, don't gather these. Or make sure they've got no brown bits on. So you're looking for the leaves. There's 5 leaves to the stem. Never take more than a third of each plant. So we'll get some more further down. Here we have the elderflower. Let me show you this. This is hogweed. Now there's another elderflower there, so you can see that they do grow close to each other. Giant hogweed, dangerous, like it creates massive sores on your skin. And this one, when it seeds, you can grind the seeds and make coffee. But look at this beauty here. This is all elderflower. And in the autumn, it will all be berries for your medicine. So as you can see on here, this one's gone brown, this one's going to fruit soon. So you need about 30 umbels to make some syrup. As you can see here, you've got hogweed there, which looks very similar to that, but it's not, it's hogweed. Okay, let's go. Come on then. I've left my friend Marie because I bought her sandwiches to have a picnic backwater, and then I left them in car and left my phone, so I had to walk all the way back. Oh, you see this one? This one's giant hogweed. So when you see how tall that is, it's very much taller than me, and you see the stem's a lot thicker. Yeah, do not touch. This is garlic mustard. This is good to eat. I don't like it personally, but people add it into the salads and things. It's quite a bitter, so it's got a garlicky mustard flavour. Good evening, everyone. So I've been and gathered some more elderflower today. It's beautiful. It smells amazing. So when you bring it home, you're not going to wash your elderflower because it has natural yeast in it, which helps to make your cordial, and especially if you're making champagne. Obviously, if you're making champagne, you would add extra yeast, champagne yeast, I'm guessing. I've never made it. So let it sit for a while to let all the bugs come off, and you can give it a shake if you want to get rid of anything that you think might be on it, or you can just go through it and pick any little bits off, little bits of bark and stuff. And what you do is, I do this. Some people leave it on the green, but it does alter the flavour, I find. So I cut the flowers off. So this will take a while. And all that can go into your compost bin over leftovers. So I shall do this and come back to you. I mean, it doesn't matter if you get a little bit of stalking. It's not a big issue. But if you can at least get the big chunky bits off these, and then these little fine bits, it doesn't really matter, but just get the big chunky bits off like so, and it makes it so much quicker. See, now that one's got a little bit of brown on it that I didn't see when I picked it, so we're not going to put those bits in.
"24 hours later.